Alright, so what you want to do first, cameraman, come a little bit closer. So what you want to do first is, before you jack your vehicle up, I don't know if it's a car, four-wheeler, whatever, you want to loosen your lugs first. Remember, lefty loosey. There we go. Once you get done loosening your lugs up, you want to come back here to your jack. And then if you're with your jack, come on down here. What you want to do is, if you see down there, you want to get your jack right under your rear end right there, just so it doesn't slip and it doesn't damage anything. And then what you do, I don't prefer jacking it up really fast, just go nice pace. And make sure you watch under there so you know you're not going to slip off of it or anything. Let's go. So what you want to do here, you want to block off your front tire with 2 blocks on one side. And then once you do that, you want to take, it's jacked up, remember, you want to take these lugs off. Once you get these to a certain point, you can take them off with your fingers. I normally don't take them off all the way right away, because then it makes the tire kind of crooked. And then not all the other ones don't really come off very easily. There you go. So what you want to do, you got your new tire here, you got your lug. What you want to do, you want to, with this wheel right here, it's a mag wheel, not a steel one. So what you got to do is, it's going to be a little bit harder. So you got to lift up with your hand down here, so you can get it square. And then all you want to do is finger tie them. And then once you get that top one done, you want to move down to either this one or this one. From there, you just do them all. On there, finger tight. You want to grab your tire iron and do the exact same you did before, except the opposite way. Once your wheels start spinning like that, you want to stop doing that one and move to your next one. Once Once you get them tight to where your wheel is just spinning, you want to come back here to your jack. And then when you drop this down, you want to do it nice and slow. Because you don't want to damage your rear end or anything once you do this. Once it's down all the way, once you get your pickup or a car, whatever you're working on the ground, you want to take your tire iron, and you want to tighten it almost to as tight as you can. You do not want to strip it. There you go.